Welcome to our 5th day of a movement a day Qigong. Today we're going to start with a little bit wider stance. We're just going to bend our knees slightly and just roll down, hang over, relax the head, neck, and shoulders. Just come down to listen to your body, come down to as far as you need or want or feels comfortable. It protects your hamstrings and stuff to have the knees a little bit bent, but you still get a nice stretch. And one thing that happens when we're stressed out is we tend to get tight in the back of the legs. That's because there's extra adrenaline receptors in those areas, on those muscles. And the same thing with the neck and shoulders. We tend to tense up those areas. So today we're going to work on loosening up those muscles, getting a little bit more mobility. We're going to be moving our spine in a lateral movement. So let's just come up to our hands on our knees, going to look out. And then we're just going to start the movement by moving our hips to one side. And then the lower back, middle back, upper back goes with it. And then the head, neck and shoulders. Then the hips go to the other side. So kind of like a little bit of a, whiplash kind of thing. But it's called moving your body like a river or like a snake. Hips first, head goes last. And you can do it from down here, but if this doesn't feel comfortable, make sure your core is engaged because you don't want to be using your back muscles too much. But so by core engaged, I mean, tighten up your abdominal muscles, your belly muscles. You can also kind of come up. It's the same movement. Pelvis goes first, middle back, upper back, neck and shoulders. So that's our basic movement. So really nice. So we started with the twists, the swings, which rotated our spine, and then we did flexation and extension. And now we're doing a lateral movement. So we're moving our spine, all those joints, all the vertebrae in our spine in this new direction. And find the pace that works for you. But as we move those joints, we're releasing that tension. And we're increasing our spinal mobility. Remember, moving the joints through their full range of motion is going to keep them mobile. It's really important here. As always, slow, deep breathing. Mixing it up, a little bit more erect. That slow, deep breathing, that triggers the body to think you're relaxed. So it's interesting, when you get stressed, you tend to breathe more shallow. And so the body thinks it's stressed when it's breathing more shallow. So as soon as you switch your breath, you're de-stressing. So slow, deep breath. Exhale through the mouth if you're just trying to let go of a little bit more. If you had a little bit something stressful happen. Or if you're just carrying the accumulated stress of a full day. And come back down again. And then just let's come back to center, relax down. Completely relax the head, neck, and shoulders. Relax the lower back. And just take a moment to just slow, deep breathing. This is the reset. Notice how your body's feeling. Notice where you're tight, where you're loose. If something feels tight, just take the breath and intentionally breathe into that area. the energetic breath goes throughout the whole body. So you can just like breathe into your hamstrings, breathe into your shoulders, breathe into your lower back. And bend your knees. We'll just roll up. Arms out to the sides. And that's our movement of the day. Let me know how it's going. If you want something different, if they're too long, too short, the little movements of the day. And join our community at TESLI.CIRCLE.SO. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'm so happy for you. See you tomorrow.